Welcome everyone to Nail Fantasy. I'm Chris, and in today's video you'll see me doing a full set of nail extensions using the Madam Glam Nail Builder Gel Polish. Let's get started. First, I'm going to show you the additional product I used in this nail art. I have a regular base coat. Then I used also a primer pen, and in addition to the gel builder polish pen, I also had another gel brush, and here is the builder I used. This is the light pink from Madam Glam. With the exception of my accent nail, I put on this gorgeous confetti, and these are the reusable forms I used for the extensions. I started out with this primer pen, which I put on my nail. Then I used the base coat, just one coat, and I cured that for 30 seconds in the lamp. That is an LED lamp, of course. If you have UV, you have to check how long it takes. And now I start with the extension. I have put on my reusable little forms, and I will also have my additional brush, but I was pretty comfy with the brush that is included in this little builder gel. You feel like you put on a nail polish, and I put on 2 coats. So this is me putting on the first coat and fiddling around. I have to say, before I did this nail art, I watched a video of Denise John 65. She used this exact nail builder gel polish, however it's called, to do a tutorial, and I will link this video down below. If you don't know her channel, go check her out. She does the most amazing nail art you have ever seen, and she frequently does great tutorials. So what she did before she put on the extension that I am now putting on, she cured in between just the nail plate, if you know what I mean. I did not do that. That would have probably been a little easier. But overall it was quite okay working with this. It stayed pretty much put after you applied it. And this is already the second coat I'm applying. I only applied 2 coats on each nail. After that, the product was already very sturdy, and it cured also in 30 seconds under LED light. So here I have removed the form, and you can see it's pretty level and it has a gorgeous color. And now comes filing, filing, filing. Yeah, I wish it was that fast. I hate filing. But look how gorgeous it turned out. It really, really looks nice. At least for a beginner like me, I think I did a pretty decent job. And again, I love this color. Love it. Now comes the fun part. I use this confetti glitter polish. And as you can see, not much glitter is coming out. So you have to kind of dab it on, dab, 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 and then move it around. And you have to be careful that you don't get any wobbles. But I didn't mind if there were some parts where the base color was shining through, because as you saw, it's really, really pretty and it fits with the glitter. This silicone tool you see me using is pretty good to remove any gel that comes into your cuticles. And in addition, I have my trusted nail polish remover pen. So let's clean those cuticles up and cure the second coat of the glitter polish. And since I don't have a no wipe top coat yet from Madam Glam, I use this one from Born Pretty that works pretty nice. It's shiny, it's no wipe, I like it. So let's use that, Cue it for another 30 seconds under the LED and we're done. There always has to be a cat hair on my nails. You know I have 5 cats, so you gotta live with that. And here we are, everything is done. It took me hours to do this. But again, I'm not a nail technician. I'm just somebody who loves to do nail art. So this is what it is. I learned that I have to file even more the next time. I totally forgot to file on top of my left thumb. You can see the difference here. The right one was much thinner than the left one. But the product overall is great. So now I'm putting on the nail and cuticle oil elixir, which is also new from Madam Glam. I recently became a VIP member of Madam Glam. They have this program where you pay 29 bucks every month and then you get everything half off. This usually pays for 2 to 3 nail polish bottles. All the Madam Glam products in this video I have purchased with my own money, so nothing sponsored. Also the Born Pretty polish, the top coat, has been bought with my own money. So we're massaging in the cuticle oil. It smells really nice. So far looks really good. You can see my accent nail now. I put on a little heart for Valentine's Day. It's barely noticeable. So I had these little pearly, shiny hearts and I just put that on with a coat of top coat. My final thoughts on the Madam Glam Builder Gel Polish. It's an awesome product, especially for someone who is not a professional nail technician. Now I don't get the bottle open because I have oily fingers. The only thing that I don't like is this small bottle. You cannot see how much is left, and it's really a teeny tiny bottle. I got it in the advent calendar and I think I almost used the whole bottle for this set of nails. It's a medium length set of nails. So I agree with Denise on this. It would be nice to have a bottle where I can see how much I have left. But I like the brush that comes with these nail polish bottles. That was easy to use. And here in the end I have another shot of the glitter polish that was the confetti. So you may have noticed that I did a voiceover for this video. This was my first time doing a voiceover. Please bear with me. I promise I will improve this for the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day wherever you are. Ta-ta!